Hi guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? For today, I will be going back to the binary option trading, and I will be taking a look at a few strategies. So what I'm gonna do today is that I think I do some similar topics previously, which is to change the strategy or change the time frame when you don't spot any trading chances within a specific chart or with the specific strategy. So for today we will be changing the strategy if I don't find any chance. So we'll take a look at how we decide whether it's time for me to change the strategy or it's time for me to change the time frame. So the first strategy that I'm gonna use is gonna be a trend following strategy, which it will be the GMMA with MACD. So we'll set up this strategy first, and then we'll take a look at how it works, and then if it works for the current price, the current market movement. So now we will set up the technical indicators. So go to indicator. Yep, indicator, and then we will select the GMMA. So put a tick on GMMA. Yep, put a tick there. So for GMMA, there is nothing that we need to change. So everything is on default. So next we'll go to the oscillator. Okay, so we'll choose the MACD. Put a tick on MACD, and then now we open the drop down for MACD as well. Okay, open the drop down, then go to parameter. Okay, so for parameter we're using a 5, 35, and 5 parameter. So EMA 1 is 5, EMA 2 is 35, signal is 5. So now that's all set. That's all the indicators that we need for now. So before I make my trade, the thing that I'm gonna make sure is the chart period and option period. So for chart period, so for today I'll be using a 1 minute chart to trade with 3 minutes option. So again, chart period is 1 minute, option period is 3 minutes. So now we all set, and then we can take a look at the price movement here. So we are looking at a trend market. So how do I tell it? How do I tell it is a trend market? I will tell you later. So first I will place a trade here. So I placed a low. So as I mentioned, this is a trend following strategy. So how do I tell the market is in a trend market? And I'll be looking at the GMMA. So I see that the red lines are below the blue line. So and if I take a look at the MACD, I see the two lines are below the zero line. That means that I can almost confirm that the market is in a downtrend. Then how I place this trade is that first I look at the GMMA, then I see that it start to compress, and then if I look at I move on to the MACD, then I see the two lines cross over, and then I see that the purple histogram comes out, and I move back to the GMMA. So now you see here it's different with my previous explanation, is that you see the red lines are still compressing. But then if we take a look at the candlestick, there are a few candlestick, bearish candlestick come out already, and then if I see the red line actually, even though it's compressed, but then it's already heading downwards. So that's why if I match with the MACD indicator, the information from the MACD, I can see that the price is actually already heading downward. That's why I opened this trade there. So sometimes the strategy you are using, you can twist it a little bit, and then if it works, you can make few more practice, few more tries. If it works, you can actually change the points of the strategy, and I think it works if it works for you. So the trade is ending in profit. Then we will take a look at other currencies. So I'm just gonna fast forward a little bit here, because what really happened here is that it's taking time here. So and I'm actually changed chart period, and then just try to, because I didn't see any purchase timing for the 1 minute chart. So what I was trying to do was just to change the chart period and then to try to see if there is any purchase chance in the 10 seconds chart. And it seems not, so I will change the chart period to back to 1 minute, and I will actually change the strategy as well. So I'm just looking at the currency pairs here, and then it seems like most of them are in range market. So I'm gonna change to a range market trading strategy. So okay, so well, go to indicator. We will change the strategy. So indicator, then we will deselect the GMMA. Then we'll use the Bollinger Band. I open the drop down for Bollinger Band. Then we'll deselect the lines on the left, and then we'll keep the one on the right. So well, for MACD, we already have the MACD here, so we don't need to change anything for that. So okay, so well, what we're gonna do here is, again, we will browse on a few currency pairs just to try to find the one that has the most potential. Okay, so well, now we are looking at a range market. So how do I tell this is a range market? Then well, I'll tell you later. So what I'm going to do now is just to place a trade first, and then I will explain it to you more. Okay, I placed a low here. Okay, so yeah, almost there. Okay, so there we go. I placed a low. So how do I tell the trend is in a range market? So well, first, really simple. I place two lines on top and below the candlestick connected with the highest and lowest price. So if the price is moving within this range, then I know that the market is in a range market. So after I confirm the market is in a range market, then I move on to the Bollinger Bands. Then I need the candlestick to touch with the upper band, which is a dynamic resistance level. So that means that there are chances for the price to bounce back down. So after that, I move on to the MACD. Then I see the two lines cross over, and then I have a purple histogram that confirms that the downward movement from the Bollinger Bands. And now that's why I placed this trade here. So this is what happens when you trade in live market. So sometimes you need to change the chart, or even sometimes you need to change the strategy for you to spot something that you couldn't spot, you couldn't see in the chart or strategy that you were using. So this is the point. So you need to be flexible. So you need to change your strategy around, and then just, well, you try to make money. So just try to put some effort on it. So okay, so well, now the trade is finished, and yeah, well, the last moment was really intense. So but I still ended in profits. So now let's take a look at the history. So trade history. Okay, so well, 2 trades today, and both of them were ending in profit. So $150 profit. So well, it's not bad, but for today, the market was not really in my favorite, and I actually took time to make these 2 trades. But well, after I changed into a few different charts, a few different strategies, and then I managed to end both trades in profits. So well, so when you can't spot any purchase timing with the chart or strategy that you are using, just try to switch it, and then I'm pretty sure you will see something that you couldn't see. So okay, so well, if you do have any question on how to switch strategy or time frame, just feel free to leave me a comment down there, and then I can try to talk with you more. Okay, so well, that's it for today. If you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video, and I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye!